good, y'all? It's T Golden back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing basically it was supposed to be a get ready with me, but I just ended up doing my makeup. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. I want to get this out there, y'all. I'm really in love with this. Like, okay, before I do like close up, you know, look, the glow, the lips, but I love that, bro. I think this is like the best I ever did my makeup, to be honest. But yeah, if you guys want to see this look, please stay tuned. But like, comment, and subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, here's the look. Oh yeah, and the hair, y'all. This is like, okay, this is crazy because this is like no product, straight out the shower. I let it dry, and I'm loving the fro.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. I'm in a better place. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. I'm in a better place. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back next week with the video. And y'all, I was really planning to do this on my hair today, but like I said, I got lazy, whatever. But I will be doing a video on this and how to look on my hair. Yeah, and I low-key, I really wanted to try this because please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Come back next week for another video. Love y'all. Bye.